The Civil War. When the Bolshevik ordered land redistribution, the Russian army began to break up. So when the Bolshevik party ordered the land distribution among the people in the Russian army began to break up. That means break down. Soldiers, mostly peasants, wished to go home for the redistribution and deserted. So the soldiers, mostly the peasants who were a part of the soldiers, they wanted to go their home so that they can get their land. Non-Bolshevik socialists, liberals, and supporters of autocracy condemned the Bolshevik uprising. So the non-Bolshevik socialists, that is the liberals and supporters, they revolted against the Bolshevik uprising. Their leaders moved to South Russia and organized troops to fight the Bolshevik, the Reds. So the non-Bolshevik socialists, they moved towards the South Russia and organized a group of people, a group of soldiers, so that they can fight against the Bolshevik party, that is the Red, the cap. During the 1918 and 1919, the Greens, that is the socialist revolutionaries, and White, that is pro-Tsarist, controlled most of the Russian Empire. So during the 1918 and 1919, the Green, that is the socialist revolutionaries, that is the liberals and supporters of autocracy, and the White, that is the pro-Tsarist, they controlled the most of the Russian Empire. They were backed by the French, America, British, and Japanese troops, all those forces who were worried at the growth of socialism in Russia. So the Greens and the Whites, they were supported by the French, American, British, and Japanese soldiers, because they all were worried about the rising socialism in the Russia, which was because of the Bolshevik group. As these troops and the Bolshevik fought a civil war, looting, banditry, and famine became common. So as there was a fight against the soldiers of the White and Greens and the Bolshevik party, so there was a kind of civil war where lots of destruction had taken place. Most of the shops were looted, okay, all the area was destroyed, and even the famine situation was there in the Russia. Famine means shortage of food. So hence the people, they do not have the sufficient amount of food, and due to which there was a famine in the Russia. Supporters of private property among Whites took harsh step with peasants who had seized land. So the supporters of private property among the white people, they have taken a harsh step, so that the peasants who they have taken harsh step who had captured or seized the land of the peasants. Such action lead to the loss of popular support of the non-Bolshevik. So as non-Bolshevik leaders, they uses the violence method, and due to which they lose their popularity, or you can say they lose their supporters. By January 1920, the Bolshevik controlled most of the former Russian Empire. So by January 1920, the Bolshevik groups, they have controlled the you can say the most part of the Russian Empire. They succeeded due to why the Bolshevik they succeeded due to cooperation with non-Russian nationalist and Muslim jihadists. So how they were succeeded? They were succeeded because there was that means they have done collaboration or agreement with the non-Russian nationalists and the Muslim jihadists. Cooperation did not work with Russia. Colonists themselves turned Bolshevik. In Khiva, in Central Asia, Bolshevik colonists brutally masquerade local nationalists in the name of defending socialism. So as there was you can say no cooperation, or you can say there was no cooperation between the Russian colonists among themselves. That's why they were defeated by the Bolshevik. Okay, and in the area, that is the Khiva and in the Central Asia, the Bolshevik, they try to kill the people, or you can say they try to kill the local nationalists in the name of showing that they were protecting the socialism in the Russia. rather they were controlling the Russia, and they were supporting the socialism. So hence here the Bolshevik party is in a wrong track. In this situation, many were confused about what the Bolshevik government represented. So at this situation, the whole community was confused that the Bolshevik government was what trying to do. In one side, they are supporting the socialism, that means destroying the whole community, and in the one side they are supporting or they are you can say going against the socialism, and they are saying in front of the people that we are against the socialism and so on, that's why we are killing the people. Okay, so the local people excuse me, the local people in the Russia, they were totally confused. Partly to remedy this, most non-Russian nationalists were given political autonomy in the Soviet Union, that is USSR, the state the Bolshevik created from the Russian Empire in December 1922. So in order to solve the situation, that means to come on to control the situation, most of the non-Russian nationalists, they were given a part, or they were given the authority to be in a political autonomy, that is the Soviet Union, which is known as USSR, which the Bolshevik group Bolshevik party have created from the Russian Empire in December 1922. But since this was combined with unpopular policies that the Bolshevik forced the local government to follow, like the harsh discouragement of nomadism, attempt to win over different nationalists were only partly successful. So though Bolshevik tried to control the situation, and they have given the some you can see some members of the non-Russian nationalists in the Soviet Union, but still as this was the unpopular policies by the Bolshevik. Okay, so the Bolshevik after giving the membership in the USSR, they are trying to force the local government to follow a harsh discouragement, which is known as nomadism. Nomadism means lifestyle of those who do not live in one place but move from area to area to earn their living. So they started to discourage the practice of nomadism, that is the people now cannot move to other places so that they can have a better lifestyle. Rather they were moved from one area to another area within the country so that they can earn their living. That means the people in the Russia were not allowed to leave the country, rather they have to work in the country and work for the Bolshevik. So this was the situation in the Russia under the Bolshevik you can say party. And why they were discouraging of nomadism? Because they wanted to win over different nationalists. Okay, because they wanted to win over the different types of nationalists who were supporting the non-Russian nationalists. So this was the situation. Okay, and hence due to the civil war, huge amount of destruction had taken place in the Russia.